How to add TikTok link on Facebook profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the first thing that you need to do is you need to go ahead and get your TikTok username. Go to your profile and you can see it under your picture. Click on it, and as you can see, the username has been copied. Once you do that, you need to go and navigate to your Facebook profile page, then scroll down to the information section and click on edit public details, and from here you need to scroll all the way down to links and click on add, and from social links click on add social link, and then click on the platform drop down and select TikTok, and then paste your username right here. As you can see, Facebook has recognized it as a TikTok account. Click on save at the top of the screen, and then go back to your profile page, and as you can see in your information section, Facebook has added your TikTok account, from which if you clicked on it, people will be redirected straightly to your TikTok account, as you can see right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your TikTok account on your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.